Greetings on the 79th Independence Day. This is one of the most important national festivals that we celebrate. The freedom that we have today is because of the sacrifice of our forefathers who laid down their lives fighting the British. It's our bounden duty to uphold the freedom at any cost. When I talk about freedom, it's not only the physical safety or the geographical integrity of the country, but freedom from many ills that have plagued the country. Even today, we see that caste, creed, and many other issues that divide us. This is not what our forefathers had envisaged for us. We have to rise above all these and stand united. Over the last 7 decades, our country has made progress in many fields. The economy has made rapid growth, and so has the literacy levels. From a net importer of food, today we export food grains. We are in the forefront of technological advances in many fields. But there are many challenges that lie ahead of us. The challenges that we face today is poverty, gender discrimination, and inequality. There are many important ways to ameliorate these issues. One of them is by improving education. The government has taken many measures to reach out and make education available to the underprivileged. It is for us to ensure that there are no dropouts from schools, especially the girl child. It has been found that higher the education, better the quality of health, and more people come out of poverty. I have full faith and trust in the youth. And in the youth, I see a bright future for the country. My best wishes to you and your family members on the Independence Day.
Hearty congratulations to all deans, faculty members and my dear students for our university celebration of 79th Independence Day. Very happy Independence Day on behalf of Dhanalakshmi Srinivasan University to all faculty members, students and deans. Thank you.
Today, as we celebrate the 79th Independence Day of our nation, we pay tribute to countless heroes, known or unknown, who laid down their lives so that we could live a free, democratic and sovereign country. Their courage is actually the foundation upon our new India stands tall. This year, the theme of our Independence Day is Operation Sindhu. Yes, redefine the policy of India against terrorism. Earlier this year, we Indians faced a brutal and cowardly terror attack. In response, our armed forces launched Sindoor Operation, a swift, precise, strategically power mission that targeted and neutralized the infrastructure of the terrorists at the border. This Operation Sindoor is not only just a military operation, but it is a message, declaration and a new chapter. The word Sindoor actually has its own significance. This word Sindoor represents honor, sacredness and commitment. Why this theme Operation Sindoor is taken as the theme of our Independence Day? It insists actually 3 points. We Indian hereafter were not only the silent spectator. As a nation, we have chosen to stand strong, stand united and stand first. We owe a debt to our armed forces because their courageousness as well as the sacrifice. Today, daily, we wake up very safely. So we must forward the spirit of vigilance to our classrooms, to our working room and our community. My dear young friends, you are the torch bearer of our new India. As an Indian, we can speak with clarity, act with conviction and believe peace, but never at the cost of our dignity and safety. Let this Operation Sindoor be a reminder our freedom is not a free one. Our freedom is protected not only with weapons but with our wisdom. Today, the flag is today everywhere. Our national flag flies. It flies not only by the winds but by the brave heart who keep our flag aloft with their blood and sacrifice. Let us honor them not in words but in action. A very warm and proud, happy Independence Day to each one of you. Thank you.